Hello everyone, this is Andrew at Crown Academy of English. Today we are doing a lesson about telling the time. Okay, so let's start. So, how do we ask for the time? So here is David, and he is going to show us how we can ask somebody for the time. What time is it? Do you have the time? Have you got the time? What's the time? Have you got the right time? What time do you make it? Okay, so these are all different ways that we can use to ask somebody for the time. Okay? So, we will now look at the answer to that question. So, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. And it's 12 o'clock. For this one, 12 o'clock, we can also say, if it is the night time, we can say it's midnight. And if it is during the day, then we can say it's midday. Or we can say it's noon. So midday here and noon, they are the same. It means 12 o'clock during the day. Okay? So, as we can see here, all of these we say o'clock. So the form is we say it's followed by the hour and then the word o'clock. And when we write o'clock, we write the letter O, then an apostrophe. So this is an apostrophe. And then the word clock. It's 1 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Okay? And this is how we say it. Okay? This is very important for all of this video, all of this lesson. I am showing you how we speak, how we say the time. Okay? We do not write this. This is how we say it. If we want to write the time, then this is how we write it. We write it in numbers. So this is how we say it. Okay? O'clock. Now, this is slightly different. What time is it? It's 2:05. It's 7:10. It's 8:20. It's 10:25. Okay? So, this time, the important word is past. Past. So the form is, we say 5, which is the number of minutes, then the word past, and then the hour. So 2 is the hour. Now past, this word means after. Okay, after. And so we say past when we are telling the time when the number of minutes is between 1 and 30, 29. So it's this part of the clock. Okay, so it is this part. 2:05. Now, this is the first method of telling the time, but there is also a second method. So we can also say it's 2:05. This is another way of saying the time. So this time we say the hour and then the numbers and the number of minutes. So O is because we pronounce it as O. We do not pronounce it as a 0. And then we have the number of minutes, 2:05. And here it's 7:10. So 7 is the hour, 10 is the minutes. It's 8:20. It's 10:25. Okay? Now a special rule. If the number of minutes is not an exact multiple of 5, so here are the multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, then we say minutes past. Let me show you. So here it is 8:21. Okay? It is not 8:20 and it is not 8:25. It is between the two. It is 21. So in this special case we have to say minutes past. It's 21 minutes past 8. Minutes past. And we do not say it's 21 past 8. Okay? Like we saw before. If it was 8:20, then yes, we can say it is 20 past 8. But since it is 21, we have to say minutes past. And another example, it's 6 minutes past 10. 6 minutes past 10. We do not say it's 6 past 10. That is wrong. Okay? So this is a special rule for when the number of minutes is between a multiple of 5. When it is in between, for example here, it is number 6, 6 minutes. And we also have the second method of telling the time. So we can say it's 8:21. That is correct. And here we say it's 10:06. What time is it? It's 4:15. It's 6:15. It's 3:30. It's 11:30. Okay, so if you look carefully, then again we have the word past for both of these, but we also have the word quarter. Quarter. Okay, so this is a special case for when the number of minutes is 15. So when the number of minutes is 15, then we say quarter past. And here, again, we have the word past, but this time we also have the word half. So we say half when the number of minutes is 30. It's 3:30. And again we have the second method which we can use. We can also say it's 4:15. It's 6:15. It's 3:30. And it's 11:30. Okay, let's carry on. What time is it? It's 25 to 3. It's 20 to 6. It's 10 to 8. It's 5 to 10. So, this time, in all of these, we have the word to. And to, in this context, it means before. So what we are saying here is, it is 25 minutes before 3 o'clock. So we say the word to. It's 25 to 3. Because here, there is 25 minutes before 3 o'clock. Okay? So here, the hour is the hour in the future. Okay, that's very important. We do not say this time is not 25 to 2. No, that is wrong. It is before 25 minutes before 3 o'clock. So we say it's 25 to 3. And we also have the second method. We can say it's 2:35. It's 5:40. It's 7:50. It's 9:55. Okay? And again, we have the same rule. If the number of minutes is not an exact multiple of 5, 35, 40, 45, 50, or 55, then we say minutes to. So we add the word minutes. Example. It's 7 minutes to 9. We do not say it's 7 to 9. That is wrong. Another example. It's 3 minutes to 11. That is correct. And it's 3 to 11 is wrong. Okay, so again, it is because the number of minutes is between 55 and 60 and the hour. So we add the word minutes before the word to. And we can also say it's 8:53. That is correct. And it's 10:57. What time is it? It's 4:45. It's 6:45. It's 9:15. It's 11:15. Okay, so here, again, we have the word to, because it is 15 minutes before 5 o'clock. Okay, so we always use the word to for this part of the clock. And since it is 45 minutes after the hour, or 15 minutes before the hour, then we say quarter. And we can also say it's 4:45. It's 6:45. It's 8:45. And it's 10:45. So again, the rule here is we say the hour and then the number of minutes. So, to summarize, the summary for telling the time in English using the first method. Well, at the top, if the minutes are here, then we say o'clock. If the minutes are between 12 here at the top, if they are here and going down to here, then we say past, all the way to half past. And if the minutes are on this side of the clock, so after half past, and all the way up until the hour, then we use to. And 3 special cases. Here, if the minutes are here, we say quarter past. Here we say half past. And here we say quarter to. Okay, so that is quite a useful diagram for you. Time of the day. So sometimes if we say the time, sometimes if we say, for example, it is 7 o'clock, sometimes it is not clear if we are talking about 7 o'clock in the morning or the evening. So we say it. Sometimes we say it to make it clear. So we say 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 3:10 in the afternoon. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. It's 11:30 at night. So these are called time expressions. In red, these are time expressions to specify what time of the day it is. So we say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, or at night. We do not say in the night, we say at night. And sometimes also we see the letters AM and PM. So here is an explanation. Well, AM stands for ante meridiem, which is in fact Latin, and it means before midday. Okay? We never say it. We never say the Latin. We only ever say the letters AM. And it means the time is between midnight and midday. Okay? So it's the morning, basically. It is the morning. And PM, this is post meridiem in Latin, and it means after midday. And PM means after midday, but before midnight. So it's the afternoon, evening, and the night until midnight. Okay? And if we want to say AM or PM, then we must use the second method of telling the time. We must not use the first method. Example. If this is the time, then when we say this time, we say 7:05 AM. That is correct. But we do not say 7:05 AM. Okay? We do not say 7:05 because we are saying AM. If we say in the morning, then this is okay. So that is wrong, but we could say it is 7:05 in the morning. That is okay. But 7:05 AM is wrong. 7:20 PM is okay. But 7:20 PM is wrong. Okay? So just you need to understand that AM is for times after midnight and before midday, and PM is after midday but before midnight. Okay? The 24-hour clock. So this is the 24-hour clock. I am sure you have already seen this. It is a different way of telling the time. It is a different system for the time. So for example, here, this is the same as 9:38 PM. But be careful, in England, in Great Britain, we do not often use the 24-hour clock. We do not often use this system. It is very rare. Normal people in everyday life do not use this. All right? We only use the 24-hour clock in timetables. So when you see train times or times of flights, like here, that is one of the only times that we use the 24-hour clock. And also the military. So the military, they use the 24-hour clock because it is very precise. Okay? And when we say the 24-hour clock, when we speak the 24-hour clock, we use the second method. So we say 2050. We do not say 10 to 21. Okay, so now an exercise. I'm going to show you 4 questions, and I want you to tell me what the time is. Okay, so again, remember, this is not how you write the time. I am asking you, how do you say this time? Okay, so I'll give you a couple of seconds. And the answer is, it's 7 o'clock. Now, question 2. And for this question, I want you to give me both methods. So tell me the time using both methods. And I'll give you a few seconds. So the answers are it's 20 past 3 or it's 3:20. Question 3, and I'll give you a few seconds. And the answer is it's 5 to 7 or it's 6:55. Question 4. And the answer is it's 8:30 or it's 8:30. Okay, so that is the end of the lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my Twitter account if you want to follow me on Twitter. And here are 2 other videos which you might be interested in. This is a listening lesson and this is a grammar lesson. Okay, thanks very much for watching. My name is Andrew at Crown Academy of English. I will see you soon. Bye bye.